Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft. This is Sadhana here. Before we go into the recipe, I would like to thank you all for supporting me in this journey. If you have not subscribed my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and support me here. And let's go and see what's the recipe today. Today the ingredients that we need for making the mushroom omelette is I have taken about 3 eggs, some mushrooms, and I have taken pepper, chili flakes, salt, mixed herbs, oil, spring onions, and if you're new or a beginner, this is how the spring onion looks, and this is the string of the spring onion, some garlic, and this is the basil. So I've got some basil here because I have a kitchen garden, it's there. In case if you don't get basil, it's okay to skip basil. So let's go to the pan now. I'm just going to add some oil to the pan. Meanwhile, the oil is getting hot. Let's mix the egg. So let's add the mushrooms. And I've just chopped the mushroom into 2. We'll keep it turned like this. Be careful when you're doing this. If you're not used to it, you can use a ladle. Now we are cooking this on a very low flame. I'm just adding spring onions. If you don't have spring onions, you can also use a regular onion. So you can add it as per your desire. Now we'll add some garlic. This makes a very good meal for the whole day. So now at this point I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Probably a little pinch of salt and little bit later when we are adding the eggs. And also some chili flakes. At this point I am going to add the eggs. So if you desire, you can also add the salt in the egg. Now let's add some pepper to it. If you eat less spice, then you can skip either the chili flakes or the pepper. So whatever is comfortable for you, you can use. We are going to use some herbs here. So if you don't have herbs at home, you can use the sachets what you get with pizza, or you can also skip. This just enhances the flavor very well. And I'm going to add some basil leaves. And also some spring onions. If you don't have spring onions, add coriander leaves. We'll be cooking this on a low flame with the lid on. It's been about 1.5 minutes. It's been cooking. Now what we will do is we will slightly loosen the egg, and as I always tell you, do not flip it with the ladle. It will break, the eggs will break. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the lid to turn the egg. Now we are going to close the lid for 30 seconds because the mushroom gets cooked very fast, so only 30 seconds. It's about 30 seconds. It's done. So I'm just going to flip it again and let's plate it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, friends. Try this recipe It's a very filling recipe and very tasty recipe also. So let me know in the comments how the recipe had turned out to you. If you like my recipes, please share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you so much for watching.